Good day, ma'am. So now we'll be now discussing the demographic overview of Norway. So this presentation explores Norway's unique demographic landscape. We will examine its population trends and what makes it distinct. Our focus will be on the key demographic factors shaping the nation. So Norway is a Scandinavian country known for its stunning natural beauty, including its iconic boards. This presentation will provide an overview of Norway's demographic landscape, its population trends, and unique characteristics. We'll examine the key factors that shape Norway's demographic profile and set it apart from other nations. Understanding Norway's demographics is crucial for gaining insight into its society, economy, and future development. So let's dive in and explore what makes Norway population so distinctive.
So population, um, age structure. Older adults have 20% age from 65 and above. They are 20% of the overall population. In the working age, the median is 40.9. So that would like, and youth declining birth rate. Norway faces an aging population. This trend is impacting social security and healthcare, declining birth to this demographic shift.
So in Norway, um, it's now facing an aging population because of the decline of birth rates from the people. Maybe because of they focus more on their careers than having their own family.
Birth and death rates. 1.55 birth rate, children per woman. 8.5 death rate per 1,000 population. 83.4 life expectancy years. Birth rates are below replacement levels. Death rates are stable, while life expectancy is high. Norway implements policies to encourage higher fertility.
So birth rate is less than the death rate. So it cannot replace so the birth rate cannot replace the death rate of the population. That's why the Norway is now facing an aging population.
Migration patterns. So, from Norway, they go in from different countries. They go to Norway, as illustrated above the PowerPoint. Migration patterns come from Poland, Lithuania, Sweden, Syria. Immigration is the key driver of population growth. Many foreign-born residents contribute to the labor force policies and is vital for social cohesion. So they also promote um, foreign residents in order for them to have a sustainable uh, birth rate that would increase or decrease the problem towards population.
Urbanization. High urbanization. 83% of population in urban areas. Oslo, largest city with 709,000 inhabitants. Challenges. Urban sprawl and regional development. Solutions. Sustainable urban planning and infrastructure. Norway shows a high degree of urbanization. Oslo is the largest urban center. Sustainable planning addresses growth challenges.
Education and economic activity. High education. 45% adults with tertiary education. Strong labor force, 70% employment rate. Key sector. Petroleum, maritime, renewable energy. Norway boosts high education levels and strong labor force. Key economic sectors drive the economy. Innovation and sustainability are central to the future growth. Key challenges and opportunities. Its key challenges is aging population wherein birth rate becomes low, but the aging population is also increasing. That is the why death rates are more higher than birth rates. Uh, Immigrant integration into society and labor market. Since as we saw from the previous slide, that they are encouraging foreign people to go to their country for increase of birth rate and sustainable urbanization, managing city growth effectively. Global shifts, adapting to demographic changes. Even though Norway has its problems towards aging, they do not lack innovation, sustainable energy that supplies their country because they have very high percentage rate on labor force, especially on high profile people that helps them sustain what they are today. Norway must address an aging population and integrate immigration. Urbanization is also critical. Adapting to global demographic trend, future prosperity.
So that would be all about Norway. So thank you, ma'am, and have a good day.